Here I have myPhone Fan 5 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me open the screen that you want to capture. So in my case, it could be, for example, the calendar. And let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So I have to hold down together power key and volume down for about 2 seconds. Let me show you. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously. And you just save another screenshot. You can also use the second method of taking screenshots. Let's just press power key for a couple of seconds. Choose screen capture. Let me show you one more time. Choose screen capture. And that's it. You just capture your screen. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to use the upper bar and tap screenshot captured. You may also use the home screen, tap apps icon, then you have to find the gallery, tap allow, and under albums let's tap screenshots, and here you have to choose your screenshot. And now you can share, edit or delete taken screenshots. Excellent, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.